global smartphone market leader, Apple has already announced their production of upcoming iPhones. Now, Apple announced that the company's manufacturing partner Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. TSMC has started production of next-generation processors for 2018 iPhones. Some reports stated the 7nm Apple A12 is the next-generation processor. In current Apple devices, iPhone 8 and iPhone X have 10nm chip used for the A11 processors. The A12 chipset is smaller, faster and more capable than the 10nm chip. With 7nm processors, the battery life, performance of apps, among other things will improve. Specifications of Apple A12 in single-core tests. The A12 chip scored 5,200 points and on multi-core tests get 13,000 points. This denotes an increase of 24 to 30% on the performance side when compared to the A11 chip. But, when the phone's officially released, we will need to comparison of our own to see how close the results were. While TSMC had already started the production of 7nm chips in April but doesn't reveal about the production. However, Apple's rival Samsung had already committed to partnering with Qualcomm to produce 7nm chips with support for 5G networks. In the production of 10nm and 14nm advancements, both Samsung and Qualcomm have been maintaining close ties through foundry business. 3 upcoming flagships to start this latest chip technology. TSMC invests more than $10 billion to extend its production facility, includes the R&D center. While Apple planning to release 3 new iPhones. The 2 devices come with OLED screens and another come with an LCD display. The OLED display devices have 5.8-inch and 6.5-inch screens, and LCD display device a 6.1-inch screen. In all 3 devices, Apple is implementing a true depth camera system to support Face It. While the Apple Face It framework may be available on less expensive gadgets,